Let me tell y'all something. We have been wearing these tank smokers out here at TMD Pits. We've got yet another 250 on the off-road package rolling out, so let's check it out. So like I said, this is our 250. Now this does have our patina finish, right? Now what that entails, we take the natural, beautiful patina that Mother Nature has worked hard on the past 30 years, and we lock it in with some clear coat. Do all our metal work, 3 coats of high gloss clear, comes out sharp. Now we'll open her up. As you can see, this does have the counterweighted doors, all right? That is an option on the 250, comes standard on the bigger tank smokers. You don't have to have it, but man, does it make it easy. Inside here, 2 sliding top trays. Top grates, guys, they're standard on every TMG pit, all right? I ain't charging you extra for a top grate, not around here. Inside the bottom, we've got 3 grates. They are removable. We do have a 1.5-inch ball valve grease drain down there as well. TMG Pits Tell True thermometers, 1 in each door. You got the fold down stack in its down position. That is standard as well, guys. What's not standard is this stainless steel front shelf. That's a nice option to add. It's nice to have slick little place to set something down while you're working in your pit. Stainless steel, not gonna rust up on you, looks slick, cleans up great. Good option there, guys. As well as the off-road package. We go all out on our off-road package, guys. 3-dimensional fabricated axles, got the fabricated brace underneath, looks slick. Goes right along with this XL wheel and tire package from our guys mods down in Texas. Appreciate y'all. Step around the firebox here. On all of our tank smokers, we do a fully insulated firebox, guys. 3/8 thick pipe on the inside. It's not gonna rust out on you, wrapped with insulation. Doors insulated, front of it's insulated as well. Holds heat great. Does have D-ring tie downs on all 4 corners. So guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.